Welcome to Review the Best by your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical mobility scooters, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from mobility scooters, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mobility scooters from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter Electric-Powered Wheelchair Device. The Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter offers unmatched comfort and convenience for those looking for a reliable and efficient mobility solution. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this scooter features 8-inch flat-free, non-marking tires that ensure smooth navigation over various surfaces. It safely supports up to 265 pounds and has a maximum speed of 3.7 mph, allowing you to travel up to 12.4 miles on a single charge. The wide, padded seat and adjustable backrest provide comfort, while the swivel seat and flip-up armrests make it easy to get on and off. The scooter's compact design makes it easy to transport as it quickly disassembles into 4 parts, fitting in most car trunks. The intuitive control panel allows for easy speed adjustments, direction changes, and battery life monitoring. Backed by a 5-year guarantee, the Vive Mobility Scooter is built for durability, safety, and customer satisfaction. Number 2. Scooter X2 Mobility Scooter Electric Wheelchair Device. The iScooter X2 Mobility Scooter is a versatile and reliable electric wheelchair designed for effortless navigation and comfort. With a smooth speed range from 0 to 5 mph, the X2 offers customizable control, whether you're cruising through a park or maneuvering in tight spaces. Equipped with LED headlights for enhanced visibility and a reverse safety warning bell, this scooter ensures safety during both day and night. The removable battery and extended battery options give you peace of mind, allowing for easy recharging and extended use. Designed for convenience, the scooter features a swiveling seat for easy entry and exit and a fixed water cup holder to keep drinks secure and accessible. With a maximum weight capacity of 264 pounds, the X2 offers a comfortable ride and easy portability, disassembling for convenient storage and transport. Trust iScooter for quality and reliable customer service with a 360-day warranty on select parts. Number 3. MIHAYO 4-Wheel Compact Mobility Heavy-Duty Foldable Electric Scooter. The MIHAYO 4-Wheel Compact Mobility Heavy-Duty Foldable Electric Scooter is the ideal solution for anyone needing reliable and long-lasting mobility support. With dual lithium batteries, 30 AMP-hour and 15 AMP-hour, this scooter offers an impressive 45-mile range, ensuring you can enjoy extended outdoor adventures without frequent recharging. The powerful 350-watt motor handles 12-degree slopes and supports up to 300 hells, making it perfect for a variety of terrains. Featuring a comfortable, height-adjustable seat and armrests, the scooter offers a smooth and supportive ride, ideal for seniors and those with limited mobility. The scooter is easy to assemble in under 10 minutes and can be folded for convenient transportation with removable baskets for added storage. Safety features include front crash bars, anti-tip wheels, headlights, and electromagnetic brakes. Plus, with a 1-month return policy, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime technical support, MIHAYO ensures quality and customer satisfaction. Number 4. MOVEMAGIC 30 miles long range 4-wheel electric mobility scooter. The MOVEMAGIC 30 miles long-range 4-wheel electric mobility scooter is the perfect solution for those seeking reliable mobility with convenience and style. Equipped with a 30 amp-hour lithium-ion battery, it provides a long range of 30 miles on a full charge and can reach a top speed of 6.2 mph. This scooter is foldable and can be easily disassembled in under a minute, making it simple to transport or store in your car. Featuring a powerful 350-watt motor and all-terrain capabilities, this mobility scooter ensures smooth rides on various surfaces. The electromagnetic brake system and anti-rollover device enhance safety by ensuring quick stops and preventing rollovers. The scooter also comes with luxury features like large front and rear shopping baskets, a USB mobile charging port, a rear view mirror, and a cell phone holder. Experience comfort, stability, and ease of use with the MOVEMAGIC scooter, designed for both practicality and style. Number 5. WAYCARE 4 Wheels, 15 miles long-range wheelchair mobility scooter. The WAYCARE 4 Wheels 15-mile long-range wheelchair mobility scooter is designed with seniors in mind, offering a safe, convenient, and comfortable solution for those seeking enhanced mobility. This scooter provides a 15-mile long range on a single charge, making it ideal for daily use and short excursions. Its thoughtful design ensures ease of use, with a focus on making each journey as comfortable as possible. WAYCARE aims to help seniors embrace a new pace of life, providing a reliable and accessible option to confidently explore each day. Whether you're navigating through your neighborhood or running errands, the scooter is built to meet your needs and provide added freedom. The WAYCARE 4-wheel mobility scooter is a perfect companion for seniors looking for more independence, ease, and security in their mobility. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.